Currently I've got K-cams pulled up on the screen. This is all that I've ever really used with all. I've never really learned how to plot G-code and write the software stuff. I do have the new version of Mach Speed that goes with this machine and the license key, and it's never been activated or used, but it will be on the machine for whoever buys it. Right now I'm going to manually raise the Z-axis, and you'll notice the axis starting to move up. It has a wind up and a wind down so that it don't just take off, it slowly builds itself up. And I'm at the top of my axis right here. One reason that seems so short is I'm using such a long bit here. Normally I'm cutting through 2x6s. This is just a 1-inch pine board. And if I've got all this set up right, here in just a second I'm going to turn the router on. I'm going to start the program. It should move down and start cutting a slot in this board. I don't have anything set up exactly the way I do it normally. This is just a functionality video to show you that the machine works. So now we're going to go to automatic. We're going to turn the router on.